All right, Orlando, we are at the Mills 50 chain. We are dropping in at Lake Formosa Park today. So we're on the far side. You know, it's 3 lakes chained together. We're on the far west side, and we're gonna start here. Hopefully we're gonna fish all 3 lakes today. You know, we're gonna make our way from Formosa to Rowena to Lake Sioux. And you know, Formosa starting here because there's a lot of good grass, a lot of eelgrass, there's some hydrilla, there's just a ton of grass, a great starting point. We're gonna have some wind today, got the old spinnerbait out, and you know, I'm excited. I don't know, I'm hopeful. We're gonna do some conventional fishing today. We're gonna see how that goes. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Heck yeah, man. We're on the board. Okay. Oh, I knew it. I knew I said it too soon. Oh man, I said it too soon. What an idiot. There we go, there we go. There we go, there's another one. Stay down. Let's try and land this guy this time. Ooh, this is a little bit better. Just a little bit bigger. Oh no, dude! It's like I pulled it right out of his face. Dang it! Oh, it stinks. There we go. There's another one. Oh God, can we land one? Can we land one? Stay down, stay down. There we go. We did it. We did it. Look at that though, that guy wanted it. Completely hoovered that spinnerbait. So that's, you know, we just missed a couple bites, could have been bad luck, but I'm gonna take that as a sign we're on the right track. There we go, there's another one. There we go. There we go. Heck yeah, dude. Oh, stay down. That's a nice one. All right, dude. Little morning bite action. Still working just around this hump. Those last 2 bites came shallow. First 2 bites were kind of on the middle of the hump, and these last 2 bites have come a little shallower. All right, dude. Hell yeah. Yes. Yes, oh my God, look at that. Look at how easily my spinnerbait flew out of this guy's mouth. He was not hooked all that well. We got one though. Again, I saw the spinnerbait. He got it good. I don't know, man. Just missing a few today. Maybe it didn't stick in so well. But we're definitely getting bites. Look at that fatty, dude. That's what I'm talking about. God, there's another one. There's another one right near where I got that last bite. Smaller guy. Come on, dude. All right, little guy. Getting fired up now, dude. There we go. There we go. There's another one. There we go. Come on in here. Oh, dude, I knew it. I knew it. Oh, guy. Look at that. Another one bites the dust. Oh, I literally just shredded the first spinnerbait I was getting bit on. So we switched. We went with all silver blades. You know, mix it up, see if this works better or worse or what. Seems like it worked the same, but it was an older spinnerbait. It had seen a lot of fish and it finally snapped too. So we're down 2 spinnerbaits. There's that fish jumping behind me. Probably still got part of this stuck in him. Sorry about that, fella. Oh God, dude, that hammered it. There we go. Oh, guy, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. There we go. Look at that beauty. We found a deeper section, so the eelgrass is kind of clumped up over here, and there's some deeper trenches in it. Just an obvious area, man, where fish might be hanging out. Access to deeper water. Plenty of cover. There we go. That's the spot where you get bit, baby. Oh, God, come here, come here. Look at that. Right in the snoot, baby. That's right, what you want to see. Look at that pig. Hell yeah, dude. There we go. Oh, he's a little guy. He's a little guy. Oh, God, dude, that was a big one. That was a big hit. Jeez Louise, dude. There we go. That guy hammered it. Woohoo! We just getting blown to the wind-blown side, just fighting the wind. But we gotten kind of I've noticed the water got a hair dirtier over here, which I think behooves our cause, because we got the gold blades, we got the bright chartreuse skirt. Like, you know, I feel like it was a little much for clear water, but we got in a little dingier tinged water, and we just got those last 2 bites. There we go, there we go, there we go. That feels pretty good. That feels pretty good. Guys, stay down, guy. Here we go. Man, just when I'm about ready to leave, we get another bite. Not too shabby. This is kind of what you expect out here on the Mills 50 chain. We're catching some healthy fish, nothing giant, you know. Generally that 1 to 1.5 pound range seems to be the deal. It's a lot of what we're catching today. Oh, there we go, there we go. There we go. Right at the kayak. Feisty little creatures. Got them all fired up today, man. This wind, it's been a hella tough dealing with it, but we got a good bite going on today, man. A lot of water moving. Great time for a spinnerbait. All right, man, that was a fun representation of the Mills 50, what you can expect when you come out here. Caught quite a few fish, and nothing giant, but definitely some healthy ones. And there it is, there's the wreckage. We got 3 busted up spinnerbaits, so you know it was a good bite when when you're breaking spinnerbaits. Not just going through plastic trailers, but actually busting them up as you go along. Didn't spend much time in Rowena. Super algae tinged, murky, gnarliness, more than usual. It's never really that clean a lake, but it was really pretty gnarly, and not a lot of eelgrass. Saw a few sections that had some grass, but a lot of it's died off, it looks like. So kind of we did our damage in Formosa, and then we went all the way over to Lake Sioux and caught some more fish over there. But good times, and we'll be out here again at some point.